What do you find funny? And more appalling, how does a grown-up go and sit there and watch that kind of thing? Because our children think it's okay. So these are the things we are calling out, and we hope that somebody is working on it, because if they don't, then you're inviting government regulation to the churches or to religious institutions, and it's dangerous. So NCCK, Evangelical Alliance of Kenya, the Catholic Secretariat, the Episcopal Association, and the others, please come forward and say it is not okay. Let us self-regulate, because the concept of self-regulation, even in the profession where I belong, it is having a code of ethics, you know, saying that you can't go beyond these bounds, and we will call you out as your colleagues, so that we do it to avoid government regulation. And we're asking that somebody, somewhere, will do something, and the government doesn't have to come in to regulate pastors. Not allowing this country even mushrooming of the cultic religious associations without knowing that they are preaching the right doctrine and they are preaching the word of God. And so much as government should not regulate churches really in terms of the faith that believers or what believers choose to believe in, the conduct of the pastors must be called to account. You shouldn't be allowed to con people publicly in the name of a pastor, and nobody wants to talk about it. And that's why I'm saying, I think NCCK, Evangelical Association of Kenya, Alliance of Kenya, and others need to call out Pastor Ng'ang'a and have a conversation. Have a conversation. It's not against, we are not against it. We respect religious leaders. They have done a lot. Pastor Ng'ang'a himself, were it not for this kind of madness, which I think is drawn from what we have given, that even our public leaders must be dirty and controversial and do funny stuff to trend and to become famous. You know, because that seems to be the cool thing. Why are you worried? Why are you concerned now that our young people are also seeking fame by doing crazy things and battering words that we never thought were normal? When you make the abnormal look normal, even in church, and dramatize, because I don't even think I can call it drama. Somebody should call Pastor Ng'ang'a out, help him, reach out. I know friends of his. I know people know him. Why are we allowing this as normal? It's not normal. Probably the pastor needs help. The association that deal, and we should be our brother's keeper, so that we say they are bound.